because I fought to become her. And that is so true for me. I have fought for just everything I felt like in my life. My nursing school journey, protecting my peace, just a lot of things, you know, that I feel like that I'm happy is who I am today because I have fought. So when I saw this on Amazon, I had to grab her, and she is gorgeous. African American woman, looks like she got on some earrings, and the scenery behind her is pretty. Just took her out the package. Let's see what color she comes with. Let's get this packaging off here. She comes with 24 colors. I think this is just my second diamond paint. I think the other one has 28 colors. Yeah, let's see what else she has here. I don't know if you can see those. There's some pretty ones in there. Looks like her skin may be about that color. Pretty colors. Let's see, that peach kind of come in there. Some black. It looks like that black is probably her hair. Looks like we got 2 packs of those. Yeah, so I'm just excited to go ahead and work on her. And of course, I will bring y'all along with me. Looks like she needs to be kitted up. So we'll first work on the kitten, and then we will start sectioning off and get her done. Alright, so I went ahead and kitted up. That way y'all won't have to see the boring part of diamond painting. Kitted up just basically means that you take your diamonds, or what they call drills, and you put them in these little containers, because as y'all saw before, they came in those little plastic bags, but once you open them, they are not sealed anymore. So these little things will run everywhere. So you want to kind of put them in something that contains them, therefore while you're working you can just grab and work. I've already sectioned off a little spot here that I'm going to show you how I began a diamond painting. But like I said, this is part of the setting up part. I had this kit last time because I used it on my last diamond painting. I've only done, this is my second one. But as you can see, like B is empty because there's no B on this one. But there was a B on my last one. So I just repurposed the letters and numbers that I would use, and now I am ready to get started. So like I said, you need your pen, and I think this one is like a 2-3 placer, which is fine with me. Like I said, I'm still a beginner, so I'm just now learning how to do this. You need some wax pen, and what you do with wax is you just take your pen, stick it in there, and you wiggle it around a little bit, and then the wax gets in your pen, and therefore you're ready to work. And then you'll do the same thing with this side, which is like a multiplier, so I can pick up like 3 at a time on this end. So I've decided I'm going to start with the number 2. You shake them, so therefore they're turning the right side up. There's a little plastic over here to protect your diamond painting. You want to pull that back just a little bit. And I know kind of where my little lines are, so I'm just going to pick pick up a 2, put it right over this 2 right here. Pick up another 2. Let's talk about my second crafting project for the weekend. I am going to complete a latch hook pillow that, as you can see, says love. I thought that was really cute and kind of goes with my room decor here in my office. So let me just show you, I don't know if you saw it. It has a little code right there that tells you A, B, C, and D. I think my last one had like 18 colors, so I was kind of shocked when this one only had 4, but hey, I'll take it. So the way I set up my latch hook is I kind of just move that out the way, and I kind of want to get my colors together because you don't want to, like these say, I don't know if you can see, that says like 9 on it, and 9 coordinates to C. And so I'm gonna get all my C's together. All my 1, 7, 9s, and 13 are A, B, C, or D, however you want to say it. And I'm just going to separate them out. So it tells me that I only have 3 bags of 30, which is D. And so what I like to do is just put them in a little Ziploc bag here. And because it's just 3, I just throw them right in there. And then I take my Sharpie and write D on the bag. So therefore, while I'm latch hooking, when I get to the letter D, then I can just grab this bag. Alright, so I'm all set up here. I have looked at my kit and decided that it starts off with 5 green right here, which I have, and I'm just gonna start at the top of this left hand corner because that just makes sense to me. And I know a lot of people latch hook differently, but this is my preferred method. This is what works for me. So you take the yarn and you wrap it around the hook, and you do the horizontal rows, not the vertical. So you take your hook and you go around like so. Make sure your little clamp goes all the way through. Take your yarn, it should be even on both sides. Take it and put it in between this clamp here and pull. And then I just kind of tighten it up here. So I'm gonna go ahead and place those 5 so you all can see. All the way through. Put it in between and pull back, and then tighten like so. Wrap it around. Take your hook and push it all the way through the clamp. Put this in between the clamp and the top part there and pull. And then just follow your grid. So after I get these 5 in, it's telling me to switch to bag 8. But for time's sake. For today, I'm just going to show you these little 5 first strings. So there you are. First little 5 strings are complete, and then once we get started, we will have a full pillow cushion that's pink and green and light pink and more pink. That says love. So that's gonna wrap up my crafting weekend. Y'all let me know what's your favorite craft, or if you have any tips on how I can get better at diamond paint or latchhook. Please share, like, and subscribe. Until next time, y'all stay safe.